Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus and I'm gonna show you how to activate audio control in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner to this button. When we tap on it, we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's just simply slide a little bit down to the useful features category, and here we have to pick shooting methods. And now at the second place we have voice commands and the short information from the device that this option allows us to take pictures by saying smile, cheese, capture or shoot, and record videos by saying record video, so we can use some keywords to take a picture without touching the screen. By using this button we can easily turn it on and turn it off like that as we need. Now let me keep this turned on. Let's go back to the camera and let me try to take a picture now by saying, for example, smile. And as you can see, the photo was taken, so this is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.